In this video, we will see how to get the newer version of Windows to stay up to date error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error message pop up on your screen, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side bar, go to Windows settings, Windows update, click on Windows update, and from the right side click on check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it. If you are facing such error message here and you fail to install Windows latest update, then here are the fixes. Right click on start button and choose Windows settings. Here from the left side, go to system. From the right side, scroll down and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters and run Windows Update troubleshooters. If you are trying to Windows update and fail to install Windows latest update, then run Windows Update troubleshoot. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. The next workaround is go to Windows search and in search field type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup wizard. Open it. Here select the drive you want to clean up, basically C drive where your program files exist. So click on OK. A new window will open. Here under files to delete, make the check against options. Thumbnails, temporary files, recycle bin, delivery optimization files, and click on OK. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. After that, update your PC with Windows latest update. The next one more workaround is right click on start button and choose run. In run command box, type services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. Click on OK. And in services windows, you will have to start or restart Windows update related services. And the first one is background intelligent transfer service. Simply right click on it and choose restart. If you found it in stop mode, then start it. Otherwise, restart it. Thereafter, apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. And click on apply and OK to save the changes. The next one is cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it and choose restart. If you found it in stop mode, then start, otherwise restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties windows and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. The next one is Windows installer services. Look for a scroll down and same right click on Windows installer services, right click on it, and if you found it in a stop mode, then start it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties, and you can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the last one is Windows update services. Choose start or restart and apply a double click on it to open its properties. Set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. The one more way to install Windows latest update is manually download and install Windows latest update. To do so, open your Google Chrome browser and here in search field type Microsoft Update Catalog. Press enter and choose first result, Microsoft Update Catalog. Open it and in Microsoft State Update Catalog search field type your KV update which you want to download and install latest update, type that kv update and click on search. All its related update will available here. Simply click on download and install it in your system manually. Follow on screen instruction to complete the downloading and installation process of Windows latest update in your system. That's all.